Struggling to find your Wise balance across different currencies? Let me show you exactly where to click so you never waste time searching again. I know the feeling. You log in, you see your dashboard, and for a second you think, where did my money go? Is it in this menu? Is it over here? It doesn't have to be that confusing. By the end of this walkthrough, you will be able to pull up every single one of your balances in just a few seconds. No guesswork required. So here is the plan. We are going to start by clicking on your main account, and then we will explore each currency balance. Just 2 simple steps, and you will have everything in view. All right, let us dive in. Start by logging into your Wise account and locating your main account. Now, when you first land on the Wise homepage, it can feel a little overwhelming. There is a lot of information on the screen. But the thing to remember is your money lives in your accounts. So do not get distracted by the promotional banners or the little graphs down below. You just need to look at the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. You will see a menu there, and the very first option is something like Home, or it might just be the name of your main account. In my experience, this is the most common spot where people get tripped up. They hover over different menus or they click on a recent transaction first, but you actually just want to click on that main account link. It will usually have a little icon next to it, maybe a little house or a wallet symbol. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to a dedicated page for your main account. And I want you to pause here for a second, because this is where it all starts to make sense. Once you click it, you will see a clear overview of your primary balance. You will see the currency you chose when you opened the account, like US dollars or British pounds, right there at the top. And this is the part I really like about Wise. They make your primary balance very bold and clear. So you already know you were in the right place. Now that you are on the main account page, let us look at each currency balance. So you have your main account open. But what if you have money sitting in euros or Australian dollars or Japanese yen? You do not need to go create a new account for each one. This is the key insight I have tested and documented myself. Look directly below your main balance, or sometimes along the top of the page. You will see a list. It might say something like balances, and underneath it, you will see a row of different currencies. It might show you a flag icon for each country, like a little maple leaf for Canadian dollars, or a star for the US. You can just click on any one of these currencies. Now, here is a common little pitfall. Do not think you have to go back to the main menu to check your Japanese yen balance. You can just click that yen tab right there on the same screen. When you click it, the page updates instantly to show you that specific balance. How much you have, any recent activity for that currency, all of it is right there. And you can just keep clicking through the tabs one by one to see the full picture of your money. It is that fast. This might take a moment to process if you have a lot of currencies, but usually it is instant. And here is the really important part. You do not even have to click each one if you just want a snapshot. If you look at the top of the page, you will often see a total balance shown in your home currency. That number adds up everything you have across every single currency. So if you just need a quick glance, that is your number. But if you want to see the breakdown per currency, just hit those tabs. So to recap, the next time you need to check your Wise balance, do not wander around the dashboard. Just click on your main account from the left menu and then use the currency tabs right there to jump between your balances. From lost to confident in just a few clicks, now you know exactly where to look.